Hi, I'm Sofia, you're watching Paraligo, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can work the single crochet camel stitch in rows. To work this stitch you will need any number of chains plus 1. For the purpose of this video I will chain 12 plus 1. Start with a slip knot and work your chains as loose as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 1, 13 chain stitches. Now you can work inside each chain stitch as usual, or you can work at the back where there are formed these little bumps behind each chain. And this is where I will work. So count 2 chains from your hook, 1, 2, turn your chain and insert your hook inside this little bump at the back of the chain and work a single crochet. Yarn over, pull a loop, nice and loose, yarn over again and pull through both loops. Repeat into the next bump. Place a single crochet and continue, placing one nice and loose single crochet in each bump until the end of your chains. So this is the last single crochet. Now turn your work and chain 1 to start the second row. So now you will place a single crochet, but you will not work on top of the stitch under those 2 loops where we usually place a regular single crochet. Instead, you will work inside this horizontal bar that is formed at the back of your stitches. So the first stitch is this one. This is the horizontal bar formed behind the stitch. You will insert your hook in there and place a single crochet. Yarn over, pull a loop nice and loose, yarn over again and pull through both loops. Repeat into the next horizontal bar, insert your hook, yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over again and pull through both loops. And continue placing one single crochet into each horizontal bar behind each stitch of the first row until the end of your row. And you should have 12 single crochet camel stitches. So now turn your work, chain 1 and repeat the entire second row. Insert your hook into this horizontal bar. The first one is a bit slanted. Yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over again. Repeat into the next. And this is what you're going to do until the end of your row. One more stitch. And this was the last one. And this is how you work the single crochet camel stitch in rows.